Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to have the plan with me for the month of March. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel Living in Bengaluru, where I make content on lifestyle, food, travel and anything around Bengaluru. So if you do like watching such content, please hit that subscribe button below and bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And with this, we will dive right into today's video, which is planning the month of March with me. I hope you all are doing great in planning. Many of them start with full enthusiasm and then you actually end up stopping planning. I hope that's not the case with you, and if so, please tune into my channel every month so that you get motivated to continue and do your planner on an everyday basis. Let me know in the comment section below if I could help you out in any way that can keep you consistent in planning. Before planning the month of March, make sure to review your February month so that you just get an idea on how your month has been, how the month has treated you, and you'll be happy about it to some extent. Like whatever you've accomplished in that month, you will be feeling great about it. So first we will start with a review for the month of February. So first, let's start with reviewing our month of Feb. I generally go through my goals and the to-dos and see if I have done and to what extent I have done them. So coming to my goals and to-dos, I think only one goal that I was not able to schedule or set a morning routine and start with it. It's becoming very challenging for me to set a proper routine in the morning, but otherwise rest of the goals have been doing good. Breathing exercise Monday, Wednesday, Friday is not working as I had planned, but I'm satisfied with what I'm doing. Now here to-dos also have been great. February overall month has been great. More of studying time because my kids had got exams, so I spent a lot of time with them in their studies. So many of my things, whether it's social media, whether it's my YouTube or anything, I haven't done much work for the only reason that I've been so busy with their studies. The minute they come home, it's like I'm with their books and with them till nightfall. So it's very difficult to keep track of everything at once. So I don't want to get overwhelmed by doing everything. So just focusing on one thing at a time. So February has been a really busy month for me with their teaching. Habit tracker done great. Water intake, I'm not that satisfied because I wanted to do 8 cups of water per day, which is not happening. Like you can see, sometimes I'm just drinking 5 cups of water, and that's not what I expected. I wanted to finish like 8 cups of water per day at least. The rest of the things good. I'm happy with what I have done. Mood tracker also seems to be very good. This time I changed the color, so you can, I don't know if you can make a difference, but I can make a difference seeing my happy days are dominating my okay and sad days. Like sad days are very few actually, so I think that's good to see this here. Then learn painting. This is what I wanted to do. If you've seen my setup video, I had done this 12 things I love to do. So for the second month I had to learn art, which I wanted to learn painting. So I have learned the basics of painting, a few things, though I don't want to show my project because it doesn't look that good. The next thing is my daily layout. Now in my daily layout I have changed a few things. I've used notes for the week to do what I have to do for the week. I have also done ones like a schedule for every day and seen how the time blocking work, if it does work for me, but currently it is not working for me. So let's see how I will do for the next month. Now after this, going to the happy moments and the review for the month of February. So after this is happy moments of February 2024 and the review of February. I've written a few happy moments. Now let me write a short note for the review of February 2024. So with this, I have written a short review for the month of February. So I thought this box where I have white, I will write the highlight of this month, like what I have done basically or mainly, and then write a quick review. So with this, we are done with the review for the month of February. Now coming to planning for the month of March. For all those of you who are planning with me, I hope the way I'm planning is helping you. I'm not sure, let me know in the comment section below. And whatever stationery I've been using here, I will put it up in the description box below. So if you do need to check out something, you can check it out in the description box. Now coming to the month of March, the main reason why I have given this crown is it's an International Women's Day on the March 8th. So that's the reason I've just given a little theme here. And also here, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. So if you do think that failure is the end of it, it is not. It's just giving you the courage to do what is needed. So generally I write around 2 or 3 quotes here. So even this time I'm going to write some quotes that just caught my eye on Pinterest and they were very cute. All these 3 quotes, I felt them cute and nice. So those are the ones I'm going to jot down here. So these are the 3 quotes that I liked. Now going on to goals and to-dos for the month of March. With this, we are done with the goals and the to-dos. Now let me make it a little more prettier by adding some stickers here. I will link all the stationery items that I use here in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So after putting some stickers, it's looking very pretty. So we are done with the goals and the to-dos. Now this is a planner sticker, which I think I love it a lot because they are mostly for the planner rather than some journaling stickers. They exactly match what I want them to be, here in my planner. Like it goes according to what I have planned. So really well pretty. I've used so many of these stickers from this book, and they look really good, and they are the size wise also it's pretty good. So after the goals and the to-dos comes the monthly calendar of March, and I generally follow a few steps that are here. So these are the steps, basically what I go step by step and write down in my planner. With this, we are done with the calendar for the month of March. My month of March seems to be a little more free because I've kept myself free for the only reason that my children have half day school for this whole month, and it gets very difficult because afternoon I really don't get much time to do anything with kids around, so I try to spend a little more time with the kids. So it's quite a free month, I could say, because I need to spend time with my kids. And I think after the 21st, going on the Holy Week and the Easter week and all those things, I think I'm a little busy. And also on the 21st, we will be traveling and we'll be back only by the 25th. So I think only up to 20th I have a little bit time to finish or whatever work has to be done for this month. But otherwise, the month of March is okay. Like, work front, I would not be able to do much. Now coming to the habit tracker after our calendar is we jot down our habits, track down our habits mainly based on the goals. So try to put your goals into habits, also a few of them, so that you can track them and see where you're leading to, and that helps you to achieve the goal. So here are my habits. So basically the habit tracker is more like a motivation to achieve your goals. Now when it comes to your health and your exercise or whatever regarding your personal matters, you could put it as a habit tracker and track it down, so that will help you in achieving your goals and getting what is needed to be done and accomplished for that month. So if you do divide your goals into smaller achievable goals for a month, then you can use the habit tracker to track them down and make sure that you hit those goals and achieve it successfully. So with me, it's like eat healthy, stay fit, self-care and water. So that helps me in achieving around 3 to 4 goals of what I have for this month. So since I've broken down them into smaller goals, it becomes much easier for me to achieve them and keep track of them and get motivated whenever I put that tick mark. The next, coming to the mood tracker, I think I'll follow the same thing that I did for the last month, so that it actually gives me a sense of how the month has been with the different colors. So red for not okay, for an okay day I use a black color, and for a good day I use a blue color. And that, so after the mood tracker is track what I love to do. Now for this month, for the month of March, I think in the beginning I had written mandala. It's basically coloring of the mandala rather than drawing, because I'm not that good at drawing. So I think mandala is, I used to do it earlier, like around 6 to 8 months back I had bought a book and I started coloring, and it was going good. Like a few of them I have completed, few of them I've done. But yeah, mandala is actually a stress reliever, so it actually calms your mind down if you do like coloring, seeing different colors and making it more prettier. Now for those of you who do not know what mandala is, if you just search it on Google, you'll get a lot of content on mandala. It could be plain coloring pages, or you can even buy books from out. You get a lot of simple ones as well as complex ones. Now this is the mandala book that I have, and I have done a few of them. My kids have done, like even they are very interested in coloring, so they love to do it. And I have used quite different pens. I've used brush pens, sketch pens, or felt pens, or I have also done using a few color pencils. Now it's like coloring with different colors, and it's nice, you enjoy it. Now I have done half the mandala few places, so let's see. I want to finish at least one thing completely, so that helps me, I don't know, maybe a sense of satisfaction or maybe a stress reliever, whatever it is. So let's see how it goes. Here I have colored it with color pencil. I think my daughter had done this. So my kids are very interested in doing all this. They enjoy doing the mandala, so I thought, why not try once and see how it goes. My main reason for tracking down a mandala is because then I'm not consistent, so I just want to finish maybe 1 or 2 pictures. I don't want to finish the whole thing in one day. Probably finish one part or a few colors in a day, and maybe over the period of whole month I want to finish at least 1 or 2 mandalas. So next, after this is your everyday planning. So I do try a lot of different things to see which fits well for, and after this daily planning is happy moments for the month of March. And and a review for the month of March. So I do have a few blank pages which I have used. I think previous month I used them for just jotting down a brain dump of whatever I had to do, a few things, and meal plan. This time I am not doing it in my planner because I have done the meal plan and I have put it on my fridge for a ready reference in the kitchen, because then it becomes very difficult every time to just go through the planner and check what is there. So when I'm in the kitchen, it's more easier to just put it down on the kitchen. So with this, we are done with the planning for the month of March. So do let me know how you liked the planning. So we started first with the review for the month of February, and after the review we went down to writing down our monthly motivation quotes, and after the quotes we did write down our goals and then the to-dos for the month. And after that I went ahead and planned my month on the calendar just to give a gist of the whole month and how it goes. And after that we have been doing the habit tracker, the mood tracker, and track what I love to do. So with this we come to an end of this video. I hope you'll like this video. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'll see you again super soon in another video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.